Hi, I'm Judy, and I'm going to take you on my journey as I've just started scroll sawing. My husband decided a couple of months ago he was going to buy a second-hand scroll saw off Marketplace Facebook. I had a go and I fell in love with it. So today I'm going to start with making the seahorse. I'm going to start with drawing around the template. I'm going to be using a size 5 blade. These are just a few of the blades that actually came with the scroll saw. So I haven't invested in any, so if any of you have any information or advice for me, it'd be greatly received. So, as you can see, it's not as easy as they make it look. Missed the lines a few bits. Tail's not the same as the other one, but we've done it. So, there we have a rough outline of the seahorse. All the little details have been cut out. I'm going to go and sand it down a little bit now, and then I'll be back. As you can see, here's the finished product. I have used a walnut stain on it. I'm a little bit disappointed in myself. I haven't given it as much detail as I did with the first one. But on the plus side, I do prefer the way I've done the eye. I much prefer the nose on this one, but I am a little bit gutted. I've missed out the belly details as well. But it's all a learning curve as it's my first video. So if you'd like to follow me on my journey, please subscribe and look out for the next video.